Welcome to Hyder's Farmhouse. We're on the borders of Surrey and West Sussex with this stunning 4-bedroom detached double-fronted house with incredible equestrian facilities. Let's go and take a look. And here are the incredible equestrian facilities. You've got a 60 by 40 sand school, 6 stables, feed room, tack room, office, 7.5 acres, mobile home, and permission for a second mobile home. So there's a very quick glimpse of Hyder's Farmhouse. I would love to show you around. Get in touch. I'll speak to you soon.